What's up guys, it's me your Geek. Can you see the image burning? That's why I hate AMOLED a lot. I mean there's only one fix to the image burning. If you use a white background, I mean the image will be popping out. Like, can you see the image burning is showing up? The only solution is to use a darker background in which the pixel is off. I mean for example something like this one, or I mean something like really very dark. I mean something like, okay, let me demonstrate one by one. Like this one, as you can see the image burning is disappear, again it come, again disappear, again it show up. So the only solution for the image burn is to use a darker background. That is only the solution which I can tell you. I mean, yeah, I hate AMOLED panel, especially I hate the Samsung AMOLED panel which can easily get a image burning. The solution, use a wallpaper which is like more darker. I mean, you see, you can't see here, you can see here, again you can see here, definitely you can see. So yeah, it was me, Gmagic. Bye.